Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a blocks gun. First, gather your materials. You will need a few small wooden blocks, a sturdy rubber band, and a small wooden dowel or stick. Safety is paramount, so always have adult supervision when using cutting tools. We will walk through each step, ensuring your project is both fun and successful. Let's get started on building your very own block gun. To begin, let's gather everything you will need. Find 3 wooden blocks, ideally 2 inches by 4 inches each, for the main body. Next, grab a durable rubber band about 6 inches long, which will provide the firing mechanism. You will also need 1 wooden dowel, roughly 8 inches in length, for the barrel. Essential tools include wood glue for assembly, sandpaper for smoothing edges, and a small saw for precise cuts. Now, let's assemble your block gun. First, apply wood glue to 2 of the blocks and press them firmly together to create the handle and main structure. Allow this to dry completely for about 30 minutes. Next, glue the 3rd block onto the top of the main structure, forming the support for the firing mechanism. Then, attach the 8-inch wooden dowel to the top block, ensuring it is straight and secure. Finally, attach the 6-inch rubber band. With the assembly complete, it is time for the finishing touches and crucial safety reminders. Use sandpaper to smooth any rough edges on your block gun, making it comfortable to hold and safe to use. Test the rubber band mechanism gently to ensure it functions correctly and securely. Remember, this is a toy, and safety is paramount. Always point your block gun in a safe direction, and never, under any circumstances, aim it at people or animals. Use appropriate targets only.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.